Alright, language explorers, let's look at this Saturday's phrasal verb. So check off. Check off. Yes. So I've got a list of things to do. I have a list of things to do and I'm slowly checking them off. Each of them are done. Finished, finished, finished. How cool is that? Yeah. Yes. Tick something from a list once it has been done. Yeah. I will check it off the list now. Yeah. When the video has been recorded, it will be checked off the list. I have a lot of things to do, so I will do them one at a time. Yeah. Gently, well, over time, they will be checked off the list. Checked off the list over time. How cool is that? Yeah. So, they want to check it off as soon as they can. I will check it off the list as fast as possible. Yeah, because when it is checked off the list, then it is done and I'm a little closer to my goal. Yeah, it is done. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So, I aim to check it off the list first. So I have a lot of things to do. So I will check this one off first. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So have you got all the things? As you collect them, check them off the list. Yeah. How cool is that? By buying it, we're checking it off the record first. See, when you buy it, we can check it off the shopping list. Check it off the shopping list. Very important. Soon the delivery will arrive. Then we can check it off the inventory. You see, when something has been sold, it needs to be checked off the inventory. So we know that we don't have it anymore. When it's been checked off, we don't have it anymore. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So check off. Can you use check off in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Let's keep exploring.